Hey, it's Aran here. If you want to set up a messenger chatbot on your website, where basically your homepage or landing page or any other pages has a little chatbot on the right where somebody can click and actually chat with you to your messenger on your Facebook page, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do it. In fact, this is a question that I received in my tech support membership, and one of my tech coaches has answered it with a video tutorial, and I thought it would be valuable to share it with you. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to him to share his screen and show you how to set it up.
All right, so let's go ahead and add Facebook chat on our system website. So go ahead and log in into your Facebook account. Scroll down to locate your page. If you do not have a Facebook page, you can create one at this point. If you do, proceed. Go ahead and scroll down to where we have Messenger Tools. Once you get the page open, scroll down to Settings. Once this done, click on the Messaging tab. Then scroll down where you have Add Messenger to your website. Click on Get Started. So once open, go ahead and click on Setup. Make sure you click on Standard Code or whichever applies to your case. Choose your language from here. Mine is English. Click on Save and Continue. Add your domain as shown, https://gigs. Click on Add Domain first and then click on Save. Then click to copy the code and then click on Next. Now, once that is done, head to your funnel, locate your website, then click on Blog Layout to make sure that the chat plugin appears on every page. So scroll down, click on Raw HTML, place it close to the footer, then double click on it, click on Edit Code, remove this, then paste in the code from Facebook, then click on Save. Once that is done, click on Save again to apply the current settings, and then click on Finish. Once done here, go ahead and click on Publish, and then give it some few minutes for it to load. Go ahead and click on your website, give it some few minutes, should pop up anytime from now. So there is the chat plugin. So once you click on it, you can start your chat from here and continue as your logged in account. And then you can start your chat. Have a nice one.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you got value from this particular tutorial. This is a very typical question that I get in my tech support membership, which you can check out. There's going to be a link somewhere around here. And there's also going to be a little video where you can actually check out exactly how it is that I help people and how I answer these questions. I have a tech support membership. I answer questions in under 24 hours. I've got a support team helping me as well, and over 100 members to assist entrepreneurs just like you who are struggling with technology or don't want to waste your time trying to figure things out and rather ask somebody who already knows, will do the research for you, give you the tutorial so you can save time, save money, and focus on what you enjoy doing instead of the techie stuff. So if you're interested in that, you can check it out. There's going to be a link somewhere around here and in the description. And that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment and also subscribe to the channel so you can see other videos like this. And I'm going to show you some other videos here that might be of interest to you. That's about it. Thanks a lot, and I'll speak to you soon.